to figure out how to do this, but we got it down now. We're one of the few. We're the doers, not the wishers. Very simple to clean this machine up. It's got a reverse action riffle in it, and you just wash it downhill. When you wash it downhill, it spirals. It spirals to the bottom and concentrates as you can see it now. Maybe takes 15 minutes at the very most. But that's worth taking 15 minutes to make 5,000–6,000. Now this is not yet a sellable product. This is still a concentrate. We'll take this and we'll run it through mercury amalgamation, and then we'll strip it either with heat or we'll strip it with acid. We'll bring it up to 90% pure. There'll be no black sand in it. This is also part of the technology we've developed. Now, as you can see, those riffles are clean. We're ready for the next run. Okay, I'm going to concentrate on washing it out now. We'll watch it go down in. I'll pan some of this for you, and I'll put it in a pan and show you the pan. We won't get it all by panning, but we'll get a nice concentration, and it's nice to see it.
All right.
There it goes. That's pushing it down through the downspout. Going right into the tub. This gold is 100 to 500 mesh. There's nothing bigger than 100 mesh we found. It floats on the water, which you'll see when we pan it. That's why it's so difficult to catch. It's not, the gold is not nuggety, it's flaky. It looks like cornflakes when you put it under a microscope. Makes it very difficult to catch. Well, you've seen our operation. You've seen us clean it up. And now you've seen the gold. In a minute, we'll show you the gold pan. The material we'll pan will be clean enough that we can actually ship that to the refinery, but we'll have to amalgamate the black sands that we have left over. In many places in the United States where there's fine gold, but nobody has the technology to pull it out. It can be done on small scale in some cases, but nobody knows how to do it on full scale. As you've seen in the video, we do it on full scale. The technology we have can be increased. The percentages of gold can be increased also. All you have to do is duplicate the same process and multiply it. We want to get up to 150 ton an hour. Then we'll be satisfied for a little while. Well, I'm going to let you go for a minute. I'm going to go back to panning this and show you some real pretty gold.
Trying to wash some of that black sand down.
Okay, this is bowl number 2. It receives the product from bowl number 1. Now you're going to see how efficient number 1 is. You've seen the gold that came out of number 1. You've seen the ripples being washed. You're seeing the same thing happen right here. There's just one difference. There's no gold in the ripples.
That's pretty
Black
easy.
sand, lots of it. Black sand doesn't pay the bills. It's the yellow stuff you want. When we get through, we'll see a trace, less than 0.5% loss. And then didn't lose it, we caught it. But we caught it in the second bowl. That means we got 99.5 recovery. That's not bad. And we're talking pure black sand concentrate, stripping flyer gold out of it.
Anything coming out down there? Yeah. You sure it doesn't want to
I
drain?
suggest if a person is using the bowl for concentrating concentrates like we do, you go double bowl. Just in case you lose a little, the second won't pick it up.
Put your hand underneath it.
But ordinarily, on ordinary operations, single bowls work fine.
Well, there's nothing coming out of here.
The small loss isn't a real consideration, and the loss is just less than 1%. Okay, we're getting down into the black sand on the bottom.
There's just nothing here.
I'm going to do a zoom on it. Jack's washing it down. You don't see no gold.
A lot of garnet.
This is the difference from what the first bowl does the second bowl. It tells you how efficient they are. This is under the most depressed conditions, trying to catch gold out of concentrates of black sand. Most people say the only way you can do it is chemical. Well, we proved them different. We made it simple, and we made it easy, and we made it cheap.
Just a tiny little
See a
bit.
little bit of gold down here on this end. That represents about 1/2 of 1% of what we run through, which is a very small amount. And we didn't lose it, we caught it in the second bowl. Like I say, I suggest that if you're running high-grade cons off an operation, go 2 bowls. It just gives you the leverage. But you're not going to pay the bills with that little bit of gold we got in the second bowl, I guarantee you that. But it's nice to know.
You haven't got 50 cents worth of gold in that thing.
Figure about 50 cents worth of gold in it.
Yep, maybe.
Okay, this is the gold that we recovered out of the bowl, out of a small run from the plant. Let me give you a little zoom on it. Well, it looks like it got zoom already. Here we go. Alright, there you go. Now you're looking at some gold. There's probably 3-4 ounces there. This is the kind of gold people say is impossible to catch. This is the kind of gold we catch. It's the kind of gold we do our living with. This equipment will catch this kind of gold plus anything coarser. I'm going to switch over and put Jack in the scene. Let him hold it. Come on over, Jack. Grab that pan. Just get a picture of you. Okay, let me back this off a little bit. Whoops, went forward. There we go.
Real McCoy.
That's the kind of gold we catch, and that's just a small sample. There's probably, $3,000 worth of gold sitting there. Yeah, put your finger in there and move that top gold around a little bit so they can see it. Now you can see that's pure gold. I panned that out myself. I'm a damn good panner.
You are the best.
Okay, now you've seen the whole thing. You've seen the operation, you've seen the cleanup, and you've seen the gold come out. So we'll take it from there.